Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you suffering from any of the issues like high BP, asthma, sinus, insomnia and infertility? Then do watch this video. Today we are learning Uttanasana. This posture is therapeutic for all these problems. It also works on our complete body and stimulates almost all the organs in our body. Let's see how to do Uttanasana. Let's begin to learn Uttanasana. Let's get into Tadasana. I have made a detailed video on Tadasana. You can find the video here. Click the link here and watch the video. Get yourself aligned rightly into Tadasana before you start to work on this posture. Let me quickly explain you on how to get into Tadasana. Keep your feet together. Lengthen your spine, your shoulder blades outwards away from your ears and tucking your hip in. We are in Tadasana. Now to get into Uttanasana, we are bending our complete torso from our hip region. Yes, you can see here, you're bending my complete torso. We are not bending this way. Yeah, we're not bending a half a torso, but a complete torso from our hip region. Now, if you are a beginner and you're not getting it right on bending forward, I'll give you a tip. You can start to bend forward from your groin area. This is the area where your thighs are joining your pelvic. Okay, so bring your awareness to this region and start bending from here. So automatically you're bending your complete torso forward. Yes, so now once you reach here, you may feel stretch on back of your thighs. These are your hamstrings. So if you're feeling stretch here, you can bend your knees a little. So that will help you relieve from the stretch. If you feel a stretch a little more, you can bend your knees even more. Not a problem at all. Okay, stay here. Now you're bending or folding forward further, bringing your palm towards the floor and your head towards your knees and lifting your tailbone up. Yeah, just look at me on how this posture goes further. So bringing your hands onto the floor, you can place your palms wherever you want, maybe next to your feet or in front of your feet or even behind your feet, whatever makes you comfortable. Bring your palms to the floor, your head towards your knees, lifting your tailbone up. If you're not able to reach your head towards your knees, that is totally fine. You can bring your tip of the fingers maybe this way. If this is not possible, maybe this way. And if even this is not possible, you can fold your hands, hold it here and bring your head forward below and stay here. Remember to suck your tummy in, engage your core, bring your navel towards your spine and keep breathing. Stay here for few breaths, and once you feel that you're not able to stay here in this posture, you can release from the posture from bringing your hands up, bringing your head up and getting back to Tadasana. That was Uttanasana. Let's look into the benefits of this posture now. Folding forward brings your head below your heart. This causes gushing of the oxygenated blood to your head and regenerates you. This calms the mind by bringing down your depression, anxiety, anger, and it also reduces your blood pressure level and also cures insomnia. Now the next region where there is a great blood circulation when you are folding forward is our abdominal region. Hence, this stimulates all the organs that are present in our abdomen like liver, spleen, pancreas and also intestines. This helps in improving your digestion. And the third region which gives good blood circulation too is your pelvic region. Hence, it helps in curing infertility and also reducing the symptoms of menopause. And the last thing is it gives a great stretch to complete back of our body from head to heels. It helps in giving stretch to your calves, your thighs and your hips. It also releases the tension from your spine and your neck. So this posture works on your complete body. Please consider practicing this posture regularly and get all these benefits. If you wish to learn more such postures, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever there are new videos. If you have any questions, leave them in comment section. Let's meet in another video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.